Lydney Railway Station. Lydney National Rail. Lydney Station. General information. Location: Lydney, Forest of Dean, England. Coordinates: 51.715 degrees north, 2.531 degree W. Coordinates: 51.715 degrees north, 2.531 degrees west. Grid reference SO633020. Managed by Transport for Wales. Platforms 2. Other information. Station code LYD. Classification: DFT Category F1. History: opened 1851. Passengers: 2016-17 increase 0.189 million. 2017-18 increase 0.196 million. 2018-19 increase 0.199 million. 2019-20 decrease 0.193 million. 2020-21 decrease 34,990. Passenger statistics from the Office of Rail and Road. Lydney Railway Station is a railway station serving the town of Lydney in Gloucestershire, England. It is located on the Gloucester-Newport line. The station is located a mile south of Lydney, and was originally called Lydney Junction, which is now the name of the nearby station on the preserved Dean Forest Railway. A 1911 Railway Clearinghouse map of railways in the vicinity of Lydney. VTE. Railway lines in Lydney. Legend. For canal icons used below, please refer to Waterways Legend. Dean Forest Railway. Severn and Wye Railway. Mineral Loop. Forges Lydney Canal. Lower Docks, Upper Docks. River Severn. Swing Bridge over Gloucester and Sharpness Canal. Locks onto River Severn. River Severn Bridge Railway. Lydney Junction was the name of two separate but adjacent stations on two different railway lines. The Great Western Railway Station, which is the one that remains open as Lydney Railway Station, opened in 1851 on the Gloucester to Chepstow section of the South Wales Railway. To the west of this station, the freight-only line of the Severn and Wye Mineral Railway crossed the GWR line on its north-south route, taking coal and iron from the Forest of Dean to the docks at Lydney. In 1875, the Severn and Wye started passenger services and built a new terminus station at Lydney Junction for passenger trains to and from Drybrook, near Cinderford. 4 years later, this first station was superseded by a new one as the Severn and Wye joined with the Midland Railway in building the Severn Bridge Railway, which linked Lydney across the River Severn with the Midlands Sharpness branch line, enabling access for the Forest of Dean minerals to the new and more extensive docks at Sharpness. The new Lydney Junction, Severn and Wye, station was linked by a long footbridge to the GWR station. There were also extensive freight yards in the northeast quadrant between the two lines, and these provided the only rail link between the Severn and Wye and the Great Western lines. The two stations worked closely together, particularly after 1894, when the Severn and Wye Railway was bought by the Great Western and the Midland. Finally, in 1955, under British Railways, the two stations were formally merged into one. 1. Lydney Junction, Severn and Wye, was used as a through station for passenger services to and from Berkeley Road Railway Station and over the Severn Railway Bridge. These services either terminated at Lydney Town Railway Station, which was in the centre of Lydney, or continued on northwards into the Forest of Dean to terminate at Lydbrook Junction on the Ross to Monmouth line. These services ceased abruptly in October 1960 when the Severn Railway Bridge was damaged beyond economic repair in a shipping accident. Passenger services were officially withdrawn from this Lydney Junction in November 1964 and it remained closed until reopening by the Dean Forest Railway in 1995. The other Lydney Junction, then renamed Lydney, lost its freight services in 1968 and its staffing in 1969, and the Great Western buildings on the platforms were demolished, though the signal box remained until December 2012. Facilities. The station is unstaffed, but a self-service ticket machine is provided. This can also be used for collecting advance purchase tickets. Train running information is provided by customer help points, digital CIS displays and timetable posters on each platform, along with waiting shelters. Step-free access is offered to both sides via the level crossing. 2. Services. Transport for Wales provide an hourly service each way between Cheltenham Spa and Meistag via Cardiff Central. In 2010, Arriva trains Wales Class 150 Sprinter DMU 150245 calls with a service for Meistag. The majority of passenger services at Lydney are provided by Transport for Wales, with an hourly Meistag Cardiff Central Cheltenham Spa service in each direction, although there are a couple of gaps during the middle of the day. On Sundays, there is a 2-hourly service each way. 3. Cross Country also serve the station as part of their Cardiff Central to Nottingham via Birmingham New Street route. Monday to Saturday, there are 6 trains per day in each direction. There is no Sunday service on this route.